As a single mom, balancing work, family, and personal time can be overwhelming, but finding a side hustle that fits into your busy life can offer a great way to earn extra income without adding stress. So whether you need flexibility, low startup cost, or something you can do from home, there are plenty of side hustles designed to fit into your hectic schedule. From online opportunities to passive income ideas, these easy side hustles allow you to work on your own terms, giving you the freedom to manage your family while building financial stability. So first up, we have Amazon Flex. So Amazon Flex is a flexible delivery service that allows you to make money by delivering packages on your own schedule. It's a great side hustle for busy moms because it offers the freedom to choose when and how often you work. So with shifts that can be selected in advance or on demand, you can fit deliveries around your other responsibilities like school drop-offs, pickups, or nap times. So here's how it works. You sign up and you get approved. You select your delivery blocks, pick up packages, deliver to customers, and get paid. The first thing you're going to do is download the Amazon Flex app, sign up, and undergo a background check. You'll need a valid driver's license, a vehicle, and a smartphone. Once you're approved, you'll have access to delivery opportunities called blocks, which you can choose based on your availability. Then you're going to select delivery blocks. Amazon Flex allows you to choose delivery blocks that fit your schedule. These blocks typically last between 2 and 4 hours, so they're short enough to fit around your daily routine. You can pick up blocks a few days in advance or grab them on the same day as they became available. This flexibility makes it ideal for busy moms who need to juggle family commitments. Then you're going to pick up your packages. Once you've selected a block, you head to the designated Amazon warehouse to pick up packages. You'll scan each package with the app and load them into your car. The app will then provide a route and directions for delivering the packages. Then you're going to deliver to customers. Using the app's navigation, you'll deliver the packages to customers. The app will guide you through the delivery process, showing you where to leave the package, whether it requires a signature, or if it can be left at the door. You can complete deliveries at your own pace within the allocated block of time. And then number 5, you get paid. Amazon Flex typically pays between $18 to $25 per hour, depending on your location and the time of day. You'll be paid directly to your bank account twice a week. This transparent, reliable payment schedule makes it easy to track how much you're earning. So why this is a great fit for busy moms? Number 1 is a flexible schedule. Amazon Flex lets you choose when you want to work, making it perfect for moms with unpredictable schedules, whether you have a few free hours while the kids are at school or you're available on the weekends. You can select delivery blocks that fit your availability. The ability to work around your personal schedule gives you control over how much or how little you want to work. Number 2, short commitment. Delivery blocks are typically 2 to 4 hours long, which means you don't have to commit to long shifts. This makes it easier to fit into your day, whether you have a free morning, afternoon, or evening. You can also choose how many blocks to work each week, depending on how much extra income you need. And then number 3, no experience needed. You do not need any special skills or experience to get started with Amazon Flex. As long as you can drive and follow directions, you're ready to go. The app guides you through each step of the process, from picking up the packages to completing the deliveries. Number 4, control over your earnings. Since you choose when and how often you work, you have direct control over how much you earn. If you need more income one week, you can pick up extra blocks. If you're too busy with family commitments, you can skip working for a few days. This flexibility gives you the freedom to adjust your earnings based on your needs. Number 5, no long-term commitment. You're not tied to any long-term contracts or commitments with Amazon Flex. You can work as much or as little as you like, making it a low-pressure side hustle. This is especially helpful for moms who might need to adjust their schedules based on family obligations. Number 6, you get to work in your local area. Amazon Flex allows you to work in your own city or neighborhood, which means you don't have to travel far to pick up packages or make deliveries. This helps save time and fuel and keeps the job manageable alongside your other responsibilities. So what you need to get started is a vehicle. You'll need access to a reliable car to make deliveries. Most deliveries can be done with a sedan, but larger vehicles may be needed for bigger packages. You need a smartphone. iPhone or Android, download the Amazon Flex app, receive delivery instructions, and navigate your routes. You're also going to need a valid driver's license. A valid driver's license and a clean driving record are required. Insurance. You must have your own vehicle insurance. In some states, Amazon may offer additional delivery coverage, but personal insurance is still required. So Amazon's earnings and payment structure. Amazon Flex pays between $18 to $25 per hour on average, depending on your location, time of day, and demand. You're paid twice a week via direct deposit, making it easy to keep track of your earnings. Occasionally, there are surge pricing opportunities where you can earn more during peak delivery times like holidays or busy shopping periods. The potential downsides to consider are wear and tear on your car. Since you'll be driving a lot, you'll need to factor in fuel costs, mileage, and general wear and tear on your vehicle. Limited availability of blocks. In some areas, delivery blocks can be competitive, meaning there may not always be a lot of shifts available. Physical demands. Delivering packages requires some physical activity such as carrying boxes and walking up to houses or apartments. It's not overly strenuous, but it's something to keep in mind. So let's say you have 3 hours free each weekday while your child is in school. You can select a 2 to 3 hour delivery block during that window and earn approximately $50 to $75 for the day. If you do this 5 times a week, you could easily make about $250 to $375 a week, all while working around your family's schedule. So Amazon Flex is an excellent side hustle for busy moms because it offers complete flexibility, allowing you to choose your hours and work only when it fits into your schedule. With decent pay and the ability to adjust your workload based on how much time you have available, it's an ideal option for earning extra money without committing to a rigid schedule. Whether you want to work a few hours a week or several days, Amazon Flex provides the flexibility and control you need to balance work and family life. Affiliate marketing is number 2. So affiliate marketing is an ideal side hustle for busy moms because it offers flexibility, low startup costs, and the potential for passive income. In affiliate marketing, you earn commissions by promoting products or services through a unique affiliate link. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you get paid a percentage of the sale. So here's how to get started and why it's a great fit for busy moms. The first thing you're going to do is sign up for an affiliate program. Affiliate programs are offered by various companies from major retailers like Amazon to niche brands. When you sign up for an affiliate program, you're provided with a unique link to share with your audience. Each time someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. So popular affiliate networks are Amazon Associates, ShareASale, Rakuten Affiliate, Commission Junction, ClickBank. Number 2, you're going to promote your products. You can promote affiliate products through a variety of channels such as social media, blogs, email marketing, or YouTube podcasts. So through social media, you can share product recommendations, reviews, or tips through Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or Pinterest. With your blogs or websites, you can write product reviews, tutorials, or listicles that include your affiliate links. With email marketing, you can share recommendations directly with your subscribers if you have an email list. And then for YouTube or podcasts, you can incorporate affiliate links in your descriptions or content. And then number 3, you're going to earn your commissions. Whenever someone clicks your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Some programs pay for any purchase made through your link within a certain window, like 24 hours for Amazon, while others only pay for specific products that you promote. So why it's great for busy moms. Number 1 is flexibility. You can work on affiliate marketing whenever you have free time, whether that's during nap time, after school drop off, or late at night. There's no fixed schedule and you can post and promote content whenever it fits your day. Number 2, low startup costs. Affiliate marketing requires little to no upfront investment. You can start by sharing affiliate links on social media or blogging platforms for free. Over time, you can invest in creating a simple website or growing an email list if you choose to expand. Number 3, scalable income. Once you've set up your affiliate content, whether it's a blog post, social media post, or video, it has the potential to generate passive income over time. As more people discover your content and click on your links, you can continue earning commissions with little ongoing effort. The more content you create, the more opportunities you have to earn. Number 4, promote products you already use and love. Affiliate marketing allows you to recommend products you already use in your daily life. Whether it's baby gear, household items, beauty products, or tech gadgets, you can promote things you trust, making it an authentic way to share your experiences with others. Number 5, work from anywhere. You can work on affiliate marketing from anywhere, your home, a coffee shop, or while you're on vacation. All you need is an internet connection to create and promote content, which is ideal for a busy mom's lifestyle. So how do you get started? Number 1, you're going to choose a niche. To be successful in affiliate marketing, it helps to focus on a niche that you are passionate about or have knowledge of. This could be parenting, fitness, home organization, beauty, personal finance, or any other area you're interested in. Focusing on a niche helps you build a consistent audience that trusts your recommendations. Number 2, select affiliate programs. Sign up for affiliate programs that align with your niche. For example, if you're In the parenting niche, you might choose affiliate programs for baby products or kids' toys or family services. Most programs are free to join, and once approved, you'll receive your unique affiliate links. Number 3, you're going to create content. You can start by creating content around the products you're promoting. This could include writing blog posts, creating tutorials, or sharing product recommendations on social media. It's important to be authentic and share products you genuinely believe in, as this builds trust with your audience. And then number 4, you're going to track your performance. Most affiliate programs provide dashboards to track your clicks, conversions, and commission. Use this data to see what products and types of content perform best so you can focus on what works. So, example scenario for busy moms. Let's say you're a mom who loves finding solutions for busy families. You could join affiliate programs for baby gear, meal prep tools, or organizational products and share those on your Instagram or Pinterest. You can create a blog or a YouTube channel showcasing these products and earn commissions whenever your followers purchase through your affiliate links. You'll be able to work on this side hustle during small pockets of free time and have the potential to generate passive income while focusing on your family. So a few key tips for success are to, number 1, be authentic. Only promote products you genuinely like and use. Your audience will appreciate your honesty, and this will build trust over time. Number 2, stay consistent. The more content you create, the more opportunities you have to generate sales. Posting regularly will help you grow your affiliate earnings. Diversify your platforms. Share your affiliate links across multiple platforms, blogs, social media, email, to maximize your reach. Build your audience. Whether it's on social media or through a blog, focus on building a community of people who trust your recommendations. Affiliate market is an excellent side hustle for busy moms because it allows you to earn money by sharing products you already love, and you can fit it around your busy schedule. With minimal upfront costs and the potential for passive income, it's a scalable and flexible option that works well for anyone looking to supplement their income while balancing family life. The next side hustle is reselling items online. Reselling items online is a flexible and profitable side hustle that works particularly well for busy moms because you can do it at your own pace and with minimal upfront investment. It involves finding gently used or discounted items, listing them for sale on platforms like eBay, Poshmark, Facebook Marketplace, or Mercari, and selling them for a profit. With reselling, you can work during your free time and manage it around your family's schedule, making it a low risk and easy to start side hustle. So how it works is, number 1, you're going to source the items. The first step in reselling is finding items that you can buy for a low price and sell for a higher price. These items could be things you already own, items you find at thrift stores, garage sales, outlet stores, or clearance sections. The idea is to identify items that are undervalued and resell them at a profit. Popular categories include clothing and shoes, designer or brand name items, baby and kids clothes, and trendy fashion items can fetch a good resale price. Another one is electronics. You can take gently used gadgets like smartphones, laptops, or gaming consoles that are in high demand and sell them on these sites. Another place you can go to is home goods, furniture decor, or kitchen gadgets that are in good condition can really sell well. Toys and games, vintage toys, collectible items, or popular kids' toys often sell quickly. And then you have books and media. Rare or popular books, DVDs, or vinyl records can be really profitable as well. Then number 2, you're going to list items for sale. Once you've outsourced your items, the next step is to list them for sale on online marketplaces. You can use platforms like eBay, Poshmark, Facebook Marketplace, Mercari, or Depop, depending on what you're selling. Each platform has its own strengths. So eBay is great for a wide range of items, including electronics, clothing, collectibles, and home goods. It offers auction or fixed price listing options. Poshmark focuses on fashion, accessories, and home goods, and it's perfect for reselling gently used clothing, shoes, and bags. Facebook Marketplace is ideal for local sales and larger items like furniture and easy to sell household goods. Mercari is a general marketplace similar to eBay, but with a simpler interface and lower selling fees. Number 3, setting competitive prices. Research is key to setting the right price for your items. Look up similar products on the platform you're selling on and check what they're selling for. You want to price competitively to attract buyers, but also ensure that you're making a profit. You can also use pricing strategies like auctions on platforms like eBay to potentially drive up the sale price. Number 4, taking great photos and writing descriptions. Clear, high quality photos are crucial for attracting buyers. buyers. Make sure you photograph your items from different angles and highlight any unique features or imperfections. Pair this with a detailed description, including brand, size, condition, and any relevant keywords to help your listing appear in searches. And then number 5, shipping and handling. Once an item sells, you'll need to package it securely and ship it to the buyer. Most platforms provide discounted shipping labels, so you don't have to worry about calculating shipping costs. For larger items sold locally, you can arrange for pickup or delivery. So how to get started? Start with what you have. Begin by selling things you already own. Go through your home and gather clothes, electronics, toys, books, or household items that you no longer need. This allows you to test the waters without spending any money up front. Number 2, you're going to choose a platform. Select a platform that best suits the items you're selling. For example, if you're focusing on fashion, Poshmark might be a better option. If you're selling electronics or a mix of items, eBay or Facebook Marketplace might be more suitable. Number 3, research before sourcing. If you're planning to source items for resale, research the market beforehand. Check popular items on the platform you're selling on and take note of what's selling and for how much. This will help you make smarter purchases and maximize your profits. Number 4, take clear photos and write good descriptions. Quality photos and accurate descriptions make a big difference in how fast your items sell. Be transparent about the condition of your items and highlight any key features that make them stand out. And then number 5, start small and reinvest. Once you start making sales, reinvest your profits into sourcing more items. This allows you to grow your reselling business gradually without taking on financial risk. As you become more experienced, you'll develop a better sense of what items are most profitable and how to price them. So let's say you go through your home and find unused baby gear, clothes, and toys that are in good condition. You list these items on Facebook Marketplace and Poshmark during your free time. After a few weeks, you make $200 in sales. You use this money to visit a local thrift store where you find a few brand name clothes and a vintage toy. You list these online, and after selling them for profit, you continue reinvesting in more inventory, all while working at your own pace and fitting the side hustle into your busy life. Reselling items online is a flexible, low-risk side hustle that can be adapted to fit a busy mom's schedule. It allows you to work from home, earn extra income with minimal upfront costs, and scale the business as needed. With careful sourcing, good listings, and a bit of time, reselling can be a profitable and rewarding way to make money while managing family responsibilities. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share, and subscribe to connect with me and get more content like this. I'll see you in the next video.